Bourbon Lime Salmon is a succulent, mouth-watering way to get in your omega-3s. The marinade infuses a delicious Asian flair with every bite. I've tweaked it to get the lowest sodium possible without sacrificing flavor. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, your bourbon, coconut aminos, lime juice, some minced garlic and ginger, and black pepper. Give it all a stir until it's well combined and the sugar is dissolved. You could even use coconut sugar if you're looking for a low glycemic choice. Make sure to reserve about 2 teaspoons of the marinade back for basting when it's finished. Place the salmon flesh side down in the marinade and coat all sides for maximum flavor. Cover it with foil or plastic and allow to marinate for at least 4 hours. Turn your grill pan on medium heat, no higher than 6 on the dial. Add about 2 teaspoons of your preferred oil and brush the grates so that they're coated. Place the flesh side down in the pan and allow them to sear for 4 to 5 minutes. Carefully flip them over and cook for 2 to 3 minutes longer. Plate on a nice bed of brown rice or veggies and brush with a reserved marinade from the fridge. Add a bit of garnish to make it fancy pants. Bourbon Lime Salmon is healthy, delicious, and full of flavor. The marinade really makes the dish, so don't be afraid to be heavy-handed with the reserve. It's a tasty way to get your heart-healthy fish in. For anyone freaked out about the skin, it flakes off really easily after it's been cooked. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.